Hey everybody, and welcome to our morning math. Today we're getting started with number 112. So you're going to start by putting your name on the document where it says what is your first and last name. Let's take a look at the warm-up itself and see what we're doing today. So we're starting with mixed facts, addition and subtraction. Then we're going to do addition with a 4-digit number, multiples of 3, 4, and 5, geometry, and a challenge word problem, and then our challenge problem with cards, and these are place value cards. So let's get started. We have 5 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 5. If you need the notes, please pause the video. Moving down, 10 minus 7, 12 minus 6, 14 minus 7, 15 minus 7. Again, if you need the notes, pause the video. Next, we're adding money, so you want to make sure your answer includes a dollar sign. We have 8,285 plus 1,456. When we add, we want to make sure if we have to carry over, we carry over to the correct place value. So in the ones, 5 plus 6 is 11, so we have to carry to the tens. You're going to do the same thing all the way across, and when you get your final answer, put it in this box. Next, we're going to write the multiples of 3. So here we go, up to 5. 5 times, which is 15. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If you need the notes, pause the video. Here we're finding the area of this figure. Well, there's 3 parts to the figure, so we have to figure everything out. So the first thing, we have a rectangle, which means that we're going to take 3 times 5. We're making an array out of it. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Then we have a square, 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 15 and 4 to make the entire shape. So we have 15 plus 4, which is 19. And I want you to write meters, because that's what M stands for, squared. And I'm not going to go into the discussion on what that means, but meters squared is when we are finding area, we always have the unit, and then we say squared. So we have 19 meters squared. It's a little different than perimeter. We'll talk about it in class when we get to geometry. Our word problem today is Mike worked 1,976 hours in 1 year. 2,080 the next year. What is the total he worked in 2 years? So we have 1,976 plus 2,080. Remember about place value, so we have 6 plus 0, 6, but now we have 7 plus 8, which is 15, so we have to carry it over to the hundreds. Continue adding, and then when you're finished, put it here, but it's a word problem, so don't forget hours. So your number and then hours. These cards show the number of points Kim and Dave have in a game. So this is their points. How many points do they each have? So all we're doing is taking this place value and putting it into our standard form. So standard form being like an actual number like this. So we have 1400s. We have 2000s. We have 18 tens. And 18 ones. So if you notice, I've added zeros for all these. So 100 should have 2 zeros, 1,000 should have 3 zeros, 10 should have 1 zero, and 1s have no zeros. So we're adding these all up. We have 8 plus 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. Put the final answer here, but make sure you put points because it's a word problem. If you need the notes, pause the video. Moving down to the next person. So the next person has 7 tens, 1 0, 5 ones, no zeros, 36 hundreds, 2 zeros, and 0 thousands. So we're not putting anything for thousands. 5 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Don't forget, put points and then put the number as well. So how many points? 3,675 points. Now that you've finished, you're done with your morning math. Great work. Thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you later.